FO21 cut by camera. This key is for Mondial, Transit, Fiesta, and Pickup. How to cut this key by camera? Enter cut by bidding. Select the key FO21. It will show guiding picture. How to change the special clamp? Please change the FO21 clamp depending on guiding picture. Remove the standard clamp and remove the probe. Insert the special clamp into the rail. If it's ready, tighten the screw. This USB port is connected with special clamp. Its power supply. If it's ready, please install the key into the clamp according to the guiding picture. If you install the key into the clamp, pay more attention. Keep a little distance. Tighten the screw by spanners. And then adjust the corner according to my operation. Key installation is ready. And then get biddings from the original key. We use the camera to get biddings. Click the menu camera. Enter the second one. Let's get a picture for original key. Please keep balance. Key biddings is ready, and start to cut the key.